the men and women of McConnell will boldly forge the future of our air refueling operations. I have no doubt that they will continue to meet and exceed my expectations. Years from now, we can still expect to see a KC-46 appear on the news, responding to a crisis in some part of the world.
The KC-46A continues to be one of the Air Force's top priorities. As I said, very much appreciate your commitment to the KC-46A and keeping it on the priority list.
If we're going to have this as a mission, we need to make sure the infrastructure is capable of doing the job and supports the airmen who are conducting the mission.
Team McConnell, to serve as the first home for America's newest tanker and to boldly forge the future of America's global vigilance, reach, and power.
The U.S. military says a series of airstrikes that started last week in Iraq have slowed ISIL's operational tempo.
We will use our air power. We will train and equip our partners. We will advise and we will assist.
Our enemies cannot hide from America's might in any corner of the globe, and it would allow us to extend America's mercy to those in need, regardless of where disaster strikes.
Our Air Force refueling fleet is the lifeblood of U.S. military global response capability.